Hunrix is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Hunrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bedbugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think we Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch them all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Hunrix is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussie is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Whoa, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Hunrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. Just look at all these goodies. Spread it out. We've got dumplings, candies, and lotus root. Why don't we get the girls' lunchbox ready? Hey, look, all of this stuff is doll food, which is the perfect thing when preparing lunch for dolls. Sure, you can't actually eat any of this, but on the bright side, just imagine the shelf life. And the fun of packing them up never has to end. No matter how much it makes your mouth water. Here, girls, you've got your very own bento box. Well, you don't have to ask them twice. Bon appetit. Ooh, anyone want an after-dinner mint? Meanwhile, we've got to clean up after the concert. Don't worry, girls. We know to work smarter, not harder. We're just gonna need to whip up some labor-saving devices. That's too much work. Just one device, but a really big one. And look, it's even on brand. It's a Derpy machine. Gotta love Derpy, especially when he brings his appetite. Good kitty. Aw, these dumplings are so cute. Of course, noodles come in all shapes and sizes. But when it comes to dough, some of us have a need to knead. Wow, now that's what I call a one-ton wonton. Well, that just means there's more to squish. Dumplings come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Like transparent, or rainbow, or both, apparently. Either way, it's a jiggly little puff. No relation. Uh-oh, there was a reason he was all tied up. What's gonna happen to his bubbly personality? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Or filled. Aw, these guys grow up, or blow up, so fast, don't they? A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's Pretty Patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Wontons are nice, but sometimes all you need's a nice gumball. After all, what goes in sometimes comes out with a bang. Especially when it's time to go pop. And there's a special surprise in this bubble. A little bow. A pillowy steamed bun. Aw, it's a baby bow, and it's about to blow. Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors. But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course. But smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift! There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red! Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? She doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry, I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow! A dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy. Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes! It looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun, Squish. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love.